Guys, there's risk in doing everything, right? There's risk in doing activity. And there's also risk in doing inactivity, right? Do you agree with that? There's risk at doing inactivity. So by you not taking advantage of your situation, of your credit score and building out your credit, that's inactivity. So you will end up paying for that. You will end up paying for that in the long run, right? Higher interest on denied credit. So you have to take action. In other words, you can't sit around and just be like not worried about your credit, your personal credit.